Our top focus story on the broadcast is farmers and farm unions now saying that they will intensify their protests against the Modi government's farm laws. Their initial plan of blockading the parliament has been put on hold, but they plan a nationwide chakka jam on prominent highways. This happens on the 6th of February between 12 noon and 3 in the afternoon. Let me quickly cut across to India Today's Milan Sharma for details of the farmer union's declaration of intensification of their protests. Milan, give us details and also tell us how will they ensure that an unruly mob doesn't take over the protests like it did on Republic Day.
Well, Gaurav, that is what has been planned by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha in the press conference that they addressed today. And they have said that we will move forward to do a chakka jam throughout the country on February 6th, which is from 12 in the noon to 3 p.m. is the time that has been decided. But looking at the events that unfolded on Republic Day, this declaration right now has been made by the 41 Kisan unions. We already know that miscreants like Deep Sidhu as well as Lakha Singh Sidhana have been ousted from the Kisan protest at the Singhu border. So making sure that this time the chakka jam is going to happen on highways. We already know Delhi-Jaipur highway has also been sealed. Tikri border has been sealed. Ghazipur border has also been sealed. Along with that, the police has erected more barricades at the Singhu border, cornering off the entire protest. Well, the farmers say that they are doing this chakka jam to protest against the alleged arrests of some people who have been picked up, and also against the fact that electricity and power and water supply has been cut off to the protest sites, making it difficult for farmers who are sitting there for more than 70 days now. And that's why the chakka jam is important. They're also saying that the agriculture budget did not seem to look very good in terms of what the farmers have been demanding. And that's why, Gaurav, this chakka jam will happen on the 6th of February.
Fair enough. Will it remain peaceful is the big issue, because even last time farmer union leaders had given a written commitment to the Delhi police that there will be no violence, that they will respect the tricolour. Unfortunately, not just the country, the world saw how the Republic Day festivities were marred by violence and vandalism. And that is why this time perhaps Delhi police taking no chances.